Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to talk about Azure Media Services Video Indexer, or Video Indexer for short. But before doing that, please share the channel, share the video, do some likes, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get latest updates for the videos that we upload frequently on the channel. And also click on the bell so you get notification as soon as a video is uploaded. Okay, so what is Video Indexer? Video Indexer is actually an Azure-based resource that allows you to analyze videos and get important insights from them. So among some of the insights that you can get from the video, it's like brands, people names, the language that are spoken, this language or languages that are actually spoken. You also get the actual transcript or the captions for the for that. Not only that, um, it also allows you to modify a little bit or to do some customizations to the video so you can further enhance what it found. Video Indexer has both a portal and a set of APIs that you can use in your own applications. Today we are going to see the portal. Okay, so if we go to the portal videoindexer.ai, you will see a page like this one, and you will be able to upload a video. Okay, well, an audio or a video upload an audio. You will notice that as soon as I choose the video I want to upload, it will show me this information. It will request me if I want this video to be private or public. So in this case I choose public, so it is accessible from other without having to log in. So we'll see more about that in a second. We also have to indicate what we want to identify, like as people or names, things like that. If it's going to, it uses machine learning models. So if it's going to use the trained people models or the trained animation models for things that we may have created. Okay, so you will see that if I choose animation models, it shows me this create model, and I could go and click and create the model. Or if I choose people models, it will show me this default. So I'm not going to upload this at the moment. Okay, so if I go to this content model customization option, you will see that here I have 3 tabs: people, language, well, 4 tabs, I'm sorry: people, language, brands, and animated characters. Okay, so for people we only have the default, and there are no people. So let's say that I want to categorize the things that I am going to upload in different people's category or something like that. I don't know. Let's see, for example, football soccer players. Okay, and then I will go hit this, add a person. All I have to start training this model, so I have to click rename. I'll put the name here, and then I upload the images, and I close it, and that would train the items for that specific person. Okay, so basically when you upload the video, it will index it. When it's indexing the video, it is analyzing it, and it will detect things such as the faces, or people faces that are in the video, and if they match with any of the faces that you have in the list, they will match it with their names. Otherwise, it will create some unknown. In this video, I do not have faces, but we will try later with one with faces. So I am going to upload a video. Then let's see, it's 34 megabytes. It's not that big. And okay, add this, add model, demo, people for later. Okay, when I upload this, then I will browse the file, go to customer functionality, choose it, and then I make it public. In advanced options, I will choose demo people. We have nothing in there, so it will basically do, it will not do a lot there. But let's wait for this to finish uploading, then for finish indexing, and you will see some of the insights we will find in there. Okay, so meanwhile, there are some things that we could actually do. In the portal, you will be able to actually create some projects to modify a little bit the items that it found, the names of the people. You will be able to modify like the labels, so the video was labeled based on what it found. Okay, you can also invoke the API to create projects and reindex and all the things. This is the API, api-portal.videoindexer.ai. You will find a couple of endpoints there that you could use. Create brands, create custom face, create language model, paid account, person model, create a project that's actually in preview. Let's see, get accounts, get brands, get custom faces, get custom faces sprite, get persons, project access token. You also will be able in the portal to retrieve some code to embed your indexed video. So let's see how it goes. It has video, it has already been uploaded, and the Azure Video Indexer is actually indexing the video. So it's analyzing the video and it's creating some of the insights. Okay. So I will see some of the okay. While that finishes, we will see some of the sample videos in here. Okay, so let's see, we have in here this okay, Seattle Seahawks something. It's 4 minutes. So when my video is finished when my video is finished being indexed, you will be able to click on it and see a screen similar to it, that is specific for my video content. Okay, so if there are people, if there are identified people, or actually if there are recognized faces in the video, it will show me the amount of persons that it recognized. It will show me their faces, thumbnails. When I click on them, it will show me in which sections of the video those faces appeared. Okay, and if the people are actually identified, it will show me their names. Otherwise, it will show me something as unknown number 1, number 2, number 3, etc. If the person has a biography, you will see that it will be able to see some biography. It will show me the actual topics that it found in the video based on the actual contents. It will show me some labels, how it actually classified the video. It will show me some name entities. It will let me know what that is. If it was able to identify a set of emotions during the video, it will show me the emotions, in which parts of the video those emotions are, and the level of I don't remember if this is actually the level of certainty. I believe this is the percentage of the percentage based on the times that emotion was found in the video. So it was found in 1.39% of the video. It will get me some thumbnails for the scenes. I can also click on the timeline and it will show me basically all the text that the transcript, or the text that was recognized from the video dialogue or audio. Okay, let's see now. I will go to the main page. Okay, it already finished indexing my video, so I click play on it. Okay, this is a video for customer website, customer finder, which is a website we developed that's already published in customerfinder.pticostarica.com. Okay, see that in this video it actually found 12 topics: technology, mobile applications, social media marketing, web design. If I click on some of it, it will take me to where it mobile technology, web design, technology, entrepreneurship. It will take me to the portions of the video where those topics were actually found. The labels, so human face, it found human face here. That's because it probably saw this face in Twitter and these other faces, and then it recognized that as a human face. Web page. So these sections were recognized as web page. Screenshot, so everything is also labeled as a screenshot. How many the entities were recognized there? So the entities are currently, as far as I know, the Azure Cognitive Services name entities or recognized entities is only for locations. So some of my entities will be like Costa Rica, Toronto, Washington DC. So let's see why it found Washington DC in there. So it found Washington DC in there because this user Twitter information has the location publicly available. Costa Rica, let's see why. That's probably because of the name in here, the text. Okay, it found for brands, so it found Twitter. It will find Twitter because this button tweet probably, also the tweet and the icon finder software. That's probably because of the name finder. Node.js. Let's see why that actually found Node.js. It found Node.js because in this code snippet example, the default is Node.js, I think. YouTube. Let's see why it found YouTube. So it found YouTube because this user has the word YouTube in there. Okay. Los Angeles. So there will be some text probably that says Los Angeles somewhere around here. Let's see. So it needs to say Los Angeles somewhere around there probably. It's probably when I was scrolling there, it found some of the Los Angeles. It actually analyzed the video in that section. Okay. Scroll too fast, so I was not able to see it. Marketing. So there are a couple of places where it says marketing. Okay, so it says marketers. In other section of the video, it also says marketing. So it's probably somewhere here with marketing. Okay. So it will also give me as insights. It will show me the actual sentiments. The sentiment is basically how positive or negative certain keywords or portions of text are actually. So it's indicating that it found positive sentiment. The percentage is 28.47, and will show me the actual sections of the video that are have a positive sentiment, and the ones which do not have a positive sentiment. So this can probably, I don't know exactly how it actually works behind the scenes on how it detects the sentiment based on the information. It probably retrieves it based on the actual text that is found on the page. So the negative sentiment could actually become or result from the text in the descriptions that are here. Also, there are a lot of descriptions with really small really small size, or not enough, not long enough to be able to create an accurate sentiment calculation. From my experience with text analytics in Azure, I have seen that it actually works much better when you have around 100,000 characters in your text. Less than that, it actually tends to recognize a lot of text as negative, and longer than that, the actual level of accuracy seems to be reduced. So at least in my applications, I tend to split the text in portions of 90, 100 characters, uh, or sentences with a maximum of 100 characters. Okay. You can also download. You can download the JSON. You can download the transcript. You can download the artifacts, and you can also download the source video. You can set to the default for the actual translation, and you can actually also tell it which insights you want to show, and if you want to edit something, you can also edit. So let's see what I want to edit. Okay, so as soon as I click the pen, you will see that it actually changes to indicate me the links that I am able to edit. So the keywords, if I click here, you will be able to see that I can either add keyword or remove the ones that are there. This one does not have the whole name, so I could just delete that one. This one I don't know what is. I could delete it. I'll put it lowercase. YouTube demo, something like that. Okay, it's not okay. That's because it's not in the transcript. So it needs to be here. So let's see, it says AI. Let's see if AI is actually in here. Okay. Keywords. Let's see, does it says AI somewhere around here? I don't think I see AI. So let's try to add AI. Here it is, AI. I don't know if it will work. I think it won't because it's not in the transcript. Yeah, it's not in the transcript. Okay. What else I want to add or what I want to remove? Text, screenshot, electronics, I don't know. Okay, if there were people in this video, it will actually allow me to edit. Okay, also I am able to edit here. So let's see, AI. Let's see if we can add this. Artificial intelligence. Okay, let's see if we can actually now add a keyword for that. Okay, since I can. Okay, the other thing that we can actually do is we can set it to private or public. We upload it to public. And we can also download here what we want. We can open it in the editor to create a project and to do further modifications, or we can actually embed this in our web applications. So let's see, I am going to add the player to a custom website. So as soon as I run the application, I will go navigate to the demo site Video Indexer option, and you will be able to see the video in here. Okay, let's stop the application. I will choose to use a smaller iframe. Okay, and now I want to embed insights. Put the insights here first. Let's see. No, I want it 300. This is going to be 6 columns. Let's see how that goes. And I'll use here 300 with 280. And let's see how that goes. So the one I have at the top is actually the player, and the one I have at the bottom is the insights. So, I mean, at the right. So you will be able to see that here I have my video, and here I have the insights, where I can scroll a little bit and see the actual information. Okay. So here it is. Now there is one thing. It will show me the something that you will notice in the website is that if I come here and I click on these sections of the video, this insights panel will actually take me to that specific section of the video that actually doesn't work in here by default because the widgets are not interconnected. Embed widgets in your application, so it will show you how to embed the actual widgets, what it needs to be done, how to embed them, and it will show you the widgets interaction for that to work. You could actually use this mediator script to your application. I actually haven't tested this one myself, so let's see if this works. Otherwise I will have to figure out why it doesn't work. So yeah, that's the mediator file, and if everything works okay, the panels should be interconnected, I think. Okay, so you see that the panels are now interconnected. If I go, let's say, to Twitter and I click on this section of the video is actually going to those to those sections. And I can scroll. If I click on the thumbnails, it will take me to those thumbnails. It found links. This is actually the same information that was in the other. It actually found some of the entities or the brands. Actually, it found Twitter, and you can see the description, and you can go to find it on Bing. So that's basically how to use Azure Video Indexer from the Video Indexer portal. It's actually really good to create your applications. Yeah, it also does a fairly good captions generation. So let's see. For the captions, let's choose to use I'll use the defaults there. For the language, we'll use the English, and you will see that will actually help make the system much better. Now, this didn't actually said okay, and that's probably because of my pronunciation, because my English is not my native language. So when I say us, I usually say this us, and it recognizes it as an A instead of a U. So I will find this, for example, that will actually help us on the 028. Let's see, timeline, that will actually help. Okay, and I stop editing. And now if I go back there, it was in 028 if I remember correctly. This will actually help us make the system, I believe it was better. Let's hear it. Much better. So let's see. I can edit it. And there it is. That will actually help us make the system much better. Okay, now one of the things that you may want to see is that if I go back to the settings and I go to things such as language, you will see that I have these. When I was editing the video contents, it generated these transcript edits, and these transcripts edits is basically a training based on the changes I made. So yeah, edit made and customer finder tweet functionality, which is the name of the video. You can either apply it from this link. This will actually help us make the system much better. So the os that I changed because of my pronunciation, and the most that it actually recognized as most. And then when I generate the video or when I embed it, that will actually automatically reflect the changes in that video. So let's see, Video Indexer, timeline. Let's see, it was on the 0, 28, 26. This will actually help us make the system much better for you. So that's how you could use the video indexer. I hope you have liked the video. Please like the video, share it for more people to see it. Don't forget to subscribe and share the channel too. Also, let us know trainings that you want to know about Microsoft Azure and .NET Core. Thank you very much and have a great day.